In precision fabrication, confidence comes from knowing that every weld will meet the same standard, not just once, but repeatedly. This system is designed to deliver that level of reliability across every production cycle. A mechanically balanced structure ensures stability during extended welding operations, even when working on longer pipe spools or complex assemblies. Smooth axis movement allows the weld to progress without interruption, maintaining alignment from start to finish. Torch motion is carefully controlled to follow the intended joint path with accuracy, reducing inconsistencies that typically arise from manual variation. Filler material is deposited in coordination with travel speed, supporting even bead formation and consistent penetration. Thermal input is applied steadily, helping maintain material integrity across stainless steel surfaces. This controlled heat application minimizes distortion and preserves dimensional accuracy throughout the component. As production continues, the system delivers uniform results from one workpiece to the next. Operators transition from active welding to process supervision, allowing greater focus on quality oversight. By reducing rework and minimizing process variability, overall manufacturing efficiency improves. The result is a dependable automation solution that supports long-term fabrication demands, delivering consistency, control, and confidence in every weld.